Jinbolida head-to-head but welding machine. It is mainly used for the shearing of two coils of strip steel. Joint head butting, welding forming. It can meet the width of 300, 400, and 600, thickness from 1 to 5 millimeters. Parallel but welding of strip steel of different specification and models. The shear interface is flat and burr-free. Burnt pole sub-arc welding is adopted. Laser welding. The weld is smooth and beautiful.
High strength and higher tensile force than raw materials. The whole machine adopts PLC touchscreen.
It's easy to use, labor saving.
Automatic production can be realized.
Increase productivity.
The head production enterprise of Jinbolida. The whole industry chain controls manufacturing.
The electrical and electronic control system adopts well-known brands. Mechanical parts, machines, etc. are all self-made.
5-year warranty to achieve production automation. Wells hotline 4006998187.